Alrighty, let's go take a look at this property, sir. I can see why they weren't ready yesterday.
They put down a whole fresh oil. This was all white yesterday. Now it's all black.
This was?
Yeah, so either put fresh on top or I don't know.
Yep.
Hey gentlemen.
How you feeling?
How you doing? Getting there. So the builder Don, he's here. So why don't we talk about the backflow stuff first?
Yeah, because plumbing wasn't included.
The tie-in wasn't included? Really?
No, I'd never do that with new builds.
Okay.
That needs to go back on their permit. Okay. Imagine if you and I pull the permit afterwards, in between, they can't get to see it, U&O.
Okay, let me, excuse me, let me let Don know that
we'll
then.
Provide the backflow.
Yeah.
That's what we typically do.
Okay.
I looked at the paperwork after we talked last week.
Yeah, because I saw it on here, but it doesn't say included on here.
Yeah. And I just asked 18 gallons a minute, 60 PSI. Because at the time we didn't know what the plumber, because there's no well here at the time either.
Okay.
I'll be happy to provide the backflow.
Okay.
But if that permit's not pulled under his name, it'll be a big mess.
Yeah.
The owner couldn't move in.
They have a
you imagine that?
house, so
I know, but you imagine though, we sent a guy over here, doesn't know what's going on. They get crossed up. They can't get a UNO to move in on a Friday. Can you imagine a phone call I get out of Annapolis?
No, we don't want that.
Well, for all of us, you know.
So let me show you over here.
Yeah, that's the drive. See if we can get here. Should have more information on it. Text that to me to get a chance. I'll look at it out here.
Need some WD-40?
I think I might need some WD-40.
If that's where the water line's coming in, this is where you want your backflow?
Well, we probably tap it and come out here. Yes. Yes, to answer your question.
Okay. And does that mean the controller has to go over here, or can the controller still go over there?
Yeah, it can go outside, go inside.
Okay.
We just need an outlet, so we can put it right here, plug it in here.
Okay, I'll confirm that with the homeowner right away. And then you guys have this plan, I believe, the irrigation plan. So there have been a few minor changes, nothing crazy, but this bed here was eliminated. I know we talked about that months ago.
Yeah, we did.
That bed was eliminated.
Yep.
But we added a little bed around here. This one here.
Change order. Change order. I love change orders.
So I mean that's just connecting basically those two beds there.
Hey, what was going on here with these back trees? Remember we were talking about these trees last time about lighting? I know they're not talking about lighting right this moment, but remember how cool these would be?
Yeah, eventually they nixed all the lighting for this phase. So
did they?
we'll have to come back and
man, this tree's here.
Yeah, that'd be gorgeous.
Wouldn't
Yeah.
that be? And you can see them across the street at the end, illuminated at night.
Yeah. And then this bed here is all reforestation mitigation stuff. Comes off that corner of the bulkhead there, right there on that corner, and goes across.
So this right here is
the pier. That's
going this way.
No, we're looking at it like this. So this will be a lawn turf walkway to get to the pier.
Wait a minute, both of you guys. This bed here, isn't that to the left of there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he was talking about the one on the right.
Yeah, this one is here, and then this one picks up.
Okay, but that one goes. Wait a minute, both of you two goes from here to there. Just because you guys had higher education doesn't mean that you're better than me.
Southern high school education. He likes.
And you got, I know you went to Harvard,
Not Harvard.
When were we returning? Did y'all figure that out?
I put it back down for Tuesday through Thursday next week.
Yeah, I mean, our goal is to have all the planting beds graded, dug, prepped with pine fines this week.
So we can get in right after the holiday?
And there may be some minor grading to do in the turf areas, mostly out front or out back. This side, because all these trees, there's really no grading happening in here.
Yeah, for obvious reasons.
Yeah, so it should be ready for you by like early next week, Tuesday, Wednesday.
So we can rough it there Tuesday then.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
We're not going to have any plants in, so we'll have all the beds laid out. You can rough everything in, stub your pipes up with funny pipe, or
If you guys don't show, I'm just going to spin that cannon around and start shooting at somebody.
That thing's cool, isn't it?
Isn't it? Boy, that thing can talk.
That's a nice little house. I like that house.
Yeah, that cannon can talk.
Yeah. Well, I don't know the history behind it, but I'd love to know.
I bet there's some cool history behind it though. Someone's rehabbed all that and rebuilt it up.
Yeah.
That wasn't the original cradle, I'm sure. Or maybe it was at one time.
I know a guy down by me that has one. It's not that big, but it's functions, and he's able to like shoot off blanks. Like I guess there's just nothing in it, and he does it every like 4th of July. And I mean, I live like not from my house, but I know my in-laws live like probably 3 or 4 miles away, and they can hear it like when they shoot it off. It's loud. Well, the reason I ask is builder, if there's any penetrations that have to happen, which now I'm gonna have to talk to him about his plumber doing, but if there's any penetrations, he's got a few that he's planning on patching up with some liquid cement and some tar.
But we definitely want him to do it, okay?
Yeah.
Because if we open another permit on an open house, it's the biggest nightmare you've ever seen.
That's kind of the last piece.
Okay. It's just so much easier that way, you know? His plumber adds it for a couple bucks. He's done.
Do you need that backflow mounted before you can get in next
No.
week and start roughing it?
No. Nope. But the sooner the better. But yeah, we just like to know what we have. Can you send me those pictures of that well information?
I will.
And then we need to find out from him what the gallonage. Originally,
The well cap is in that corner. I'll see if there's a tag on it.
no, I'll look at that. I'm talking about the builder. He's probably going to know how many gallons he's got.
All right, are we good?
We good, sir. Appreciate you, Ben. Appreciate your time.
Coming out here. Just confirm when you're coming out. You said Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday.
I have it on for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday,
If we're running behind for some reason on Friday,
Yeah.
we'll call and text you that we'll be here Wednesday instead of Tuesday. If you don't hear from us, we're going to hear Tuesday. Looking good there. A beautiful project. Car duty. Let's go up the road here and take a look at that install we did.
Yep.
For Mr. Coke. Was it about 2 months ago? Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.